Ever wonder how we get these rolling shots? I'm Gabe, and in this video, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes with our photographer, Taylor Robbins, as he captures the Mercedes-AMG GT63 and the G-Wagon in motion. I'll be on the BTS cam showing you guys how it all goes down. Let's get into it.
The last iteration of this car was a race car for the street. This car isn't so much the race car for the street that the other one was, but they're going to make one that is, and this is my attempt at beating them to their own game. A bolt-in roll cage, proper lowering springs and suspension, smaller bricks and forged wheel, really, track prepped and ready to go.
All right, James, you copy? Max, you guys copy?
Copy.
I'm looking to get a nice little stagger of both cars lined up. That's also why I brought the 14mm. That's when we need to revert to something a bit wider that can afford both cars to get a little further apart. So that right there is a good looking formation. Let's try to keep that as long as we can going down Venice here. All right, for this next shot, let's get James by himself. Max, you just stay right behind him.
Good.
That's pretty much what we're going for. Some nice, easy rollers. So.
It's so fucking rough.
Taylor called me last minute, I was locked in on my computer, but they're like, yo, we need the best roller driver out in the West.
Stop the cap.
Oh my goodness.
That's James. You guys are basically just going to formation side by side as safely as possible. All right, well, I think that was an hour well spent. Rollers are a pretty crucial part of capturing cars, shooting cars, and it's always good to just keep on doing it as much as you can, because that's how you get better. That's how you figure out new ways to shoot cars and things like that. And it also helps when you have fun people to work with. It just makes it all the more enjoyable.
That's how we get our rolling shots. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!